Good morning, students. Hope you all are well and spending your lockdown period following the guideline of Government of India. As you know, our respected principal always think betterment for the institution and to provide you all students a better educational facility. As per principal guideline, our beloved coordinator of tourism management cell suggests us to complete the course if it's remain via video clip. In my paper number 103, travel agency, tour business and accommodation course has been completed. In my last class too, I have discussed with you all for revision of the course which was not formalized. Need not worry for that. I am always available in WhatsApp or by mobile phone. I am just thinking to suggest you few hints how you prepare for the examination. I will highlight the points of each chapter. Rest you will revise it with your notes. And I am just continue with 2 video clips. If it is completed, then in next clip I will continue it. First is a function of travel agency. As you know, travel agency services caters the complete requirement of the tourist, such as advice, how to travel, places to go, as well as to arrange the each and every services for the tourist. In this regard, there are few departments which are in function, like domestic department, international department, cargo department and carrier department. Under this, there is a ticketing, there is a leisure holidays, there is a conferences, seminars, exhibition, ancillary services and other services. These are the main points which you have to explain. Second is a differentiation. In differentiation, you have to differentiate between primary service provider to travel trade intermediary. Third is a regulation of travel agency. The regulation of travel agency imposed by Minister of Tourism, Government of India. Notes are with you. You have to explain. Number 4, organization of the travel agency. Organization, there are main 3 departments. Number 1 is the Department of Domestic Passengers Booking. Number 2, Department of International Passenger Booking. Number 3, Department of Tour Operation. Under this, there are few units which works, like documentation unit, reservation unit, visa unit and sales and marketing unit. You have to explain all of this. Next is a forms of organization. As you know, there are 3 types of forms of organization. Number 1 is a proprietorship, number 2 is a partnership and number 3 is a corporate. You have to define all of these 3. Now, there is the recognition of travel agency. Notes are with you. Apart of that, there is a 14 points which you have to mention clearly. Thank you. Now coming in a next video clip.